Good morning, students.
Good morning, teacher.
Let us pray. Who wants to lead the prayer? Okay, Miss Anna. Okay, so before you sit down, please pick up the piece of paper and clean your desk. Okay, you cannot take this. Before anything else, let's have our attendance first. So now, I will call you and you will say present, okay?
Yes, teacher.
Bisabilia,
Present.
Jose,
Present.
Flores,
Present, teacher.
Lucero,
Present, teacher.
okay, Sabuelo,
Present, ma'am.
okay, Vaporoso.
Present.
Okay, since everyone is present, let's give a round of applause to everyone. Okay. And now, class, do you still remember our classroom rules?
No.
No? Okay, so always remember the word best. So B is for be respectful. So okay, respect your teachers, your classmates, and of course the school property. And treat them with kindness. Okay, next is enter on time. So please be here on time so that you won't miss instructions or lessons. And next, we have
Stay on task.
Yes. So you need to stay on task. You need to participate, okay?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. And lastly, we have
Tell the truth.
tell the truth. So of course, you have to tell the truth. You will be honest because honesty is the best
Policy.
Very good. Okay. And now, I hope that you can still recall our lesson last meeting. Okay, with that being said, who can still recall our lesson last meeting? Yes, Miss Barbarossa?
So, as what I remembered from our previous lesson picture, we've tackled about the writing process and the different types of writing process, which includes revising, editing, and proofreading.
Okay, very good, Miss Barbarossa. Let's give Mommy Dunisha clap for Miss Barbarossa. Do you know Mommy Dunisha clap?
No.
So it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good, very good, very good. Okay, how about you guys?
1, 2, 3,
We
1.
stand. Go.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good, very good, very good.
Okay, Yona, take your seat. Okay, so this time, are you ready to learn new lessons today?
Yes.
Okay, so with that, but first let us have our activity. So our activity is called Pass and Guess. So in this activity, this is a combined activity, and what you're going to do is, once the music starts to play, you will pass the ball. And if the music stops and you have the ball, so of course you will answer, you will guess the activity or the scrambled letters or 4 picks and 1 word. Okay?
Yes.
Am I clear?
Yes,
Okay.
teacher.
Before that. Okay. Here's the ball. Okay. Okay. Okay, Miss Jose. So, okay, here What do you think is this word all about based on the pictures and also the scrambled letters? Entertain is correct. It is correct. Let's give a hand for Miss Cosette. Why is it correct? Because Jollibee is entertaining, right?
Yes.
Okay. Next one. Please, where's the ball? Okay, let's continue. Okay. Miss Flores. Okay, so here, Miss Flores, guess this word.
This picture, no?
Yes.
This scrambled letters. For each one word is letters.
Yes, it is. Letters.
Wow.
Amazing.
Very good.
So it is letters because of course the picture is about letters.
Yes.
Okay, so now let's continue. Okay.
Princess picture.
Hindi ba na yun? Nice, Papa Rosa. Okay. It's your time to shine. What do you think is that scrambled letters based on the four P's? So I think it's persuade. Persuade, why? It's because of this, because of the pictures. Yes, very good, Vaporoso. Let's give a hand for Vaporoso. So persuade is correct. Yes. Okay, so last one. Okay. Okay, Miss Abuelo. Okay. Okay, so now Miss Abuelo, please. Inform teacher. Why it is informed? Because there's newspaper, then there's reports, there's news, so I think it's to inform. Yes, exactly. It's
Inform.
Inform. Very good. Let's give a hand for Miss Abuelo. Okay, very good. Okay. So, how was our activity class?
It was
It was
fun. Interesting.
fun. Wow. Okay. So based on our activity, was it easy or hard to guess the words?
Easy.
Yes, Miss Lucero.
For me, teacher, it's easy because there's picture that serves as our guide.
Yes, there's meaning clue, right? Yes, very good. Thank you so much for that, Miss Lucero. Okay. So next question. Okay, next question. What help you get the correct answer? Is it the pictures or is it the letters?
Both picture.
Both picture. Yes,
For me, teacher, it's both. It is because, like for example, the one that I answered, the letters,
Mhm.
so I can easily combine the letters even if it is mixed or scrambled. And also with the help of the pictures as well, teacher. So I was able to get the answer.
Okay, so thank you so much for that, Miss Flores. Okay. So now, based on our activity class or based on these words or these pictures, what could be our lesson for today is all about? Yes, Miss Lucero.
This is just a trying.
Yes.
I think these types of letters, which are the entertain, persuade, and inform.
Yes. Thank you so much for that, Miss Lucero. Okay. Our lesson for today, class, is all about the meaning and purposes in writing letters. before that, let's have our objective. So this is what we're going to achieve this morning. Okay, so our objectives here are, okay, so at the end of the lesson or discussion, students with at least 85% accuracy will be able to A. Identify the different purposes and meaning in writing letters. B. Apply the purposes and meanings of writing letters in various scenarios. And lastly, we have appreciate the importance of identifying the purposes and meaning of writing letters in daily communication. Okay. Okay, so who among you here has their own experience that they received a letter from someone? Yes? Wow! And what did you feel while reading the letter?
Honestly, I felt like shy and I don't know how to respond since that's when I think I was grade 3 that time, yeah. And then we are just I was very childish that time, so I just throw the letter
Wow!
and eat the chocolate inside of the
Wow! Well, let's give a hand for Lucero. Okay, how about you, Miss Ada?
So actually, it was a love letter.
Wow!
Yeah, I felt really during that time, but today I realized that, oh my God, it's so cute. I feel so I feel gross. And now I realized that I received that kind of love letter.
Oh, thank you so much for that sharing, Miss Jose. Let's give a hand for Miss Jose. Okay, I see that you are raising your hand, Miss.
Well, just like Ara teacher, I also received love letters. Yeah, a lot. Aside from I write letters, but I also receive letters. And it's kind of nice, yeah, the way that someone would spend their time writing letters to you. It's just that the effort is different. Yeah, because especially nowadays we're in this new modern era, so mostly like teenagers or young adults right now, they're just used to sending messages through Facebook, Messenger,
yes.
but receiving letters, it's nice and it's fun.
Yes, yes. Thank you so much for that, Miss Avero. Let's give a hand for Miss Abuelo. Okay, so this time, let's talk about the meaning and purposes in writing letters. So first, let us know what is the author's purpose and meaning in writing. So wants to read? Yes, Miss Althea.
The author's purpose refers to the primary reason behind a piece of writing. The three basic categories are first, to inform, to persuade, and to entertain.
Okay, very good. Thank you so much for that, Miss Flores. Okay. So of course, every letter has its own purpose. Alright?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So with that, there are three basic categories of a purpose of a letter. Right?
Yes.
Yes, it's to inform,
To
persuade, and also to
entertain.
entertain. Okay, to dig deeper, okay, let's have the meaning of inform. Okay, please read.
To inform.
The primary purpose is to provide reader factual information.
Okay. So of course, from the word to inform, it is giving factual information or true information, right?
Yes.
Yes. So with that, to fully understand, let us have the example. Let's read a letter from. Okay. Please read, everyone.
Dear Miss Johan, I hope this letter finds you well. I am pleased to introduce
Hana Cafe, a new venture offering quality coffee and freshly baked pastries. We are committed to providing flavorful blends, delicious treats, and a welcoming space for our community. Best regards, Alvaro, Hana Cafe Manager.
Okay, very good. Thank you so much for that, everyone. Okay, so now, who is the sender of the letter? Yes, Miss Lucero?
Alvaro.
Yes, Alvaro, the Hana Cafe manager. Okay, how about the receiver of the letter?
Miss Johan.
Miss Johan is correct. Thank you so much for that, Miss Alvaro. Okay, what is the purpose of the letter?
To inform.
Yes, why?
That there's a new open
Please
act
stand
in
up.
future. The letter's purpose is to inform Miss Johan that Hannah's Cafe by Alvaro is newly opened and that it is ready to serve the community.
Very good. Thank you so much for that, Miss Flores. Okay, yes, this is informing because, of course, Alvaro here is informing Johan that there is a Hana Cafe or the opening of Hana Cafe. Okay, next. Next is to persuade. So once read the definition. Okay, Miss Lucero.
Okay, to persuade, to convince the reader to adopt a particular viewpoint or take a specific aim.
Okay, thank you so much for that. Okay, to persuade, it is to convince the reader to take a specification or to adopt about a viewpoint. Okay?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. To dig deeper, let us have an example. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, so now who wants to read the letter? Okay, read the letter. Okay, Miss Cose.
February 6, 2025, Barangay Panalaya, Centreo, Cagayan de Oro, Raven Montifalco, Supreme Student Government President, El Dorado High School. Dear Mr. President, I am writing to propose a coastal cleanup drive in partnership with the student body and the local community. This initiative aims to reduce pollution, protect marine life, and raise environmental awareness. I believe this activity will be successful with the support of the Supreme Student Government. Thank you for your time, and I look forward for your favorable response. Sincerely, Jomel Mercadijas, grade 12 humility.
Okay, thank you so much for that, Miss Cose. Okay, so now, who is the sender of the letter?
Jamel
Yes. Okay, how about the receiver of the letter?
Raven
Yes, very good. Thank you so much. How about the purpose of the letter? What is the purpose of the letter?
To persuade.
To persuade. Why? Please raise your hand. Yes, Miss Lucero.
Okay, so I think it is persuading. It is because it gives the effect of that particular program, which is the cleanup driving. And by giving the effect of that program, so of course it's like giving or persuading the receiver. So that's
Okay, very good. Thank you so much for that, Miss Lucero. And now let's move on to the next. Okay, so now let's move on to the next purpose. Okay, so next is to
Entertain.
Very good. Okay, wants to read? Okay, So once read the definition. Yes, Miss Cose?
To entertain it is to tell a story or describing real or imagery characters, places, and events.
Yes, thank you so much for that, Miss Cose. Okay, so yes, to entertain is to tell a story to make the receiver laugh. Right?
Yes.
So yes, with that, let us have an example. Letter. Okay, so I want Miss Bisabella to read the letter.
There is Rad. I still can't believe our sleepover from Geoffrey nearly setting the popcorn on fire to Gino insisting he was not scared, then spilling soda during a jump scare. It was pure chaos. The pillow fight sealed it with flying feathers and non-stop laughter. Best sleepover ever. Let's do it again. Son with more pillows and extra cheese for Jilly. Yours truly, Jalina.
Thank you so much. Okay, so now let's read together. Okay, again. Dearest God, I still can't believe our sleepover. From Jeffrey nearly setting the popcorn on fire, to Gino insisting he wasn't scared, then spilling soda during a jump scare. It was pure chaos. The pillow fight sealed it with flying feathers and non-stop laughter. Best sleepover ever. Let's do it again soon with more pillows and extra cheese for jelly. Yours truly, Zaraya. Okay. Thank you so much. Okay, so again, who is the sender of this letter?
Zaria.
Zaria. How about the receiver of the letter?
Rod.
It's Rod. Okay. What is the purpose of this letter?
To
entertain.
Entertain. Very good. For Rod to love. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, so since you know about the different meaning and purposes in writing letters, and now let's apply what you have learned. Okay?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So I will read the statements, and what you're going to do is to raise your hand and say TI if the statement is to inform, TE if the statement is to entertain, and of course TP if the statement is to persuade. Okay, so let's start. Okay. Telling your friend about your new school.
T.I.
Raise your hand. Yes, Miss Flores.
It's T.I. Miss, to inform.
To inform. Very good. With that, I forgot to give you my reward.
Okay. Thank you, teacher.
Okay. How about the next one? Asking your parents to allow you to join a school trip. How about you, Miss Sabuero?
TP. To persuade.
To persuade, because the student here is, she wants to convince her parents to join a school trip. Very good. Okay, how about the next one? Sharing a fun experience during vacation. Yes, Miss Cose.
TP. To entertain.
To entertain. Okay, here's your reward. Thank you so much. Okay. How about explaining the rules of a new school club? Okay, Miss
TI. To inform.
Okay, very good. To inform. Okay. So now, how about telling a short story about your most embarrassing moment? Okay. So, let's have Miss Flores.
Miss, it's TE, to entertain.
To entertain, because this scenario, this statement is one. Okay, very good. Okay, thank you so much for that, Miss Flores. And last one. Okay, encouraging your friend not to give up on studying. Okay, how about Miss Vaporoso? Okay, how about the last one? Encouraging your friend not to give up on studying. Okay, so Miss Vaporoso,
Thinking to persuade.
why?
It's because you have to encourage your friend.
Yes, very good. To persuade, you have to convince your friend not to give up on studying, right? Yes. Okay, so thank you so much, everyone. And okay, so I think you already understood our lesson today. So this time, let's have our assessment, okay?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Okay, so now the class will be divided into two groups. And I have here two strips. And what you're going to do is you will work together and identify the purpose of the letter. If it is to inform, to persuade, or to entertain.
Yes, teacher.
So, and after that, you have to write a short letter, okay?
Yes, teacher.
Did you get it?
Yes,
Right
teacher.
here.
Yes.
Very good. Okay, so who is the representative of each group? Okay. Okay, so now group 1, please read the scenario.
You are the CEO of a new company. Write a letter to the public to announce that the company is now open and is hiring staff and employees. The sender or author of the letter should be Mr. Hades Riego.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, how about the second group? Please read.
Your friend is living in another country. Write a letter to him or her to share a funny moment that happened during your family reunion. The purpose of your letter is to make your friend laugh.
Okay, thank you so much for that. And now I will give you 5 minutes to work and to write a letter. Okay. So your timer starts now.
na pa-extend pa naman ako.
Done?
Not
Not
yet,
yet.
teacher.
Teacher, I have a question.
Yes.
Will the whole group read the letter or just one representative?
No, just one representative.
No.
Are you done?
Not yet, teacher.
Done?
Done, teacher.
Okay. So now, let us have the presentation. How about the group 2? Okay, group 2.
Okay, so our scenario, I'll read the scenario again. Your friend is living in another country. Write a letter to him or her to share a funny moment that happened during your family reunion. The purpose of your letter is to make your friend laugh. So, the letter that we wrote is this. Hi, princess. I want to tell you something funny from our family reunion. My uncle joined a dance contest and was doing his best moves. Suddenly, we heard a loud rip. His pants tore, but he kept dancing like nothing happened. Everyone laughed as hard. Even Grandma's postizo fell out while she was laughing. It rolled on the floor and we laughed even more. It was the funniest day ever. Miss you, your friend, Jamie. And the letter is for entertainment teacher.
Okay, thank you so much for that, Miss Alberto. And for the group 2, that was so very, very entertaining.
Thank you.
Okay, how about the group 2?
Go,
Group
princess.
1.
Okay, so our scenario is that you are the CEO of new company. Write a letter to the public to announce that company is now open and is hiring staff and employees. The sender or author of the letter should be Mr. Hades Riego. So our letter, dear public, good day. I am Hades Riego, CEO of Riego Business Company. I am pleased to announce that our company is now officially open. We are also hiring staff and employees for different job positions. If you are interested, please submit your resume to our office. Thank you and we hope to work with you soon. Sincerely, Mr. Hades Riego, CEO of Riego Business Company.
Okay, thank you so much for that. How about the purpose of that letter?
To inform teacher.
To inform, very good. Okay, give Mommy Janisha clap for everyone. Okay, please stand. Okay, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good, very good, very good. Okay, please sit down. Thank you so much, everyone. Okay, so before we end our lesson, okay, so for your assignment, write a short letter for someone you know and put its purpose on top if it is to inform, to persuade, or to entertain. And be sure that it has 2 paragraphs, okay?
Yes,
Okay. Okay, it will be passed tomorrow.
Okay, teacher.
Am I clear?
Yes,
Okay.
teacher.
Okay, so that's all for today. Goodbye and thank you, class.
Goodbye